Viewing sound.
Highly recommended.
Well, that's what I mean. And then go back there. You gotta go.
Other than that, I'm perfect. How are you guys? I have been wanting to fuck.
I know you're the bullet, but you gotta listen to me.
I'm not getting no 17 shots. Fuck that shit.
I only got the first shot.
Hey, Danielle.
It wouldn't let me work without it. You couldn't go to work without it.
I'm not getting no 17 shots. That's retarded.
The other one's getting worse. Why should be?
Yeah, I get the flu shot. That's it.
Daniela!
Tell him no. Not Mansport next time.
Well, it's the same thing like with most restrictions. You know, they get big and then people let them go. So now they're all over the place now. They go Honeyberg one. Yeah.
And they get thrown, so it's
Yeah, I just tell it to them.
everyone is on film, and they get like,
Wow. Yeah, it's the same with the road restrictions down there now. There's no natural enemies right one of them now. So they overpopulate. And always like they're even eating alligators and shit down there. So well, it's like it's the same thing. You know, they take these pets and they don't want to kill them. They let them go down there.
Halloween is on Halloween. They go with the giant size, put like the big pen
And they eat them. It's like a reptilian chicken. They say that about everything. Chicken tastes like chicken. Iguana tastes like iguana. Hey, what's up, brother? How you doing, man? I don't think Brian's coming. Michael's coming, right? Oh, Frank's going on at 9. Frank's going on at 9. Well, it's 10 to 9 now. So it's right there, yeah. So, you know, 10, 15 minutes of the whole night. Jack, how are you doing? You working today? Hey. Maria, how are you doing? Happy anniversary. No. You don't own it. Joe helped him out. Joe was doing the paperwork for him. Joe was helping.
I remember, maybe it was years ago, and we were talking about visa, blah, 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 and he said, oh, that's bad. And I thought, like, oh, he's so for such a long time illegal.
I think Joe finally got, like, well, I'm pretty sure he's still done better. He's good now.
Right. But before, then, if you have the money, you can go back to Japan.
Yeah.
Because we were talking with Paris before.
Overall, was pretty good. Yeah. I don't know how it's healthy. I worry about chicken. What's that? You got skinny even on the
Yeah. I mean, it was always very skinny.
Yeah. You got that skinny on the
The problem is she doesn't really tell you.
skinny more.
That's the story, but not everybody buys it.
I think I'm one of the people who have like 10 minutes of relationship. That's not. Oh yeah. And during COVID, my for 2 years. And her English was so bad. And she was like so fantastic. It's like she didn't like Harry. And she's great and everything, but
Like Marco is such a cool guy, and
my father was like Marco.
now he lives around here. Does not have the chance to talk on the phone and stuff. Just cannot imagine having a relationship. Like she doesn't understand the most simple thing, like you have to just look up the words and you cannot talk like we talk.
Right.
Like, and find that through.
And it was when and for him it's like he likes Tokyo and he speaks like I don't know many languages. So and we used to live together for 15 years. So we had almost a kind of relationship. 15 years, yeah, I think so. We almost had a kind of relationship and we had like conversation with politics and now he's sitting there with her and it doesn't matter, he's happy. I will meet him maybe next week. But you can't talk about it. And even if she's not stupid or anything, but she's not. I told her a friend of mine, she gives in the library English as a second language. So it would have been so easy for her to just go there and do some classes with people who don't speak, don't write, but she doesn't want to do it. And it's like,
My sister did that in Tokyo for back in the 80s, you know, like it was a big thing. She taught ESL in Japan. She ended up being there like 4 or 5 years.
now if I go somewhere, I try. You guys who are Japanese, maybe the Germans as well or any immigrants, they have like groups.
Yeah.
So she has a friend.
New York City, you gotta do that. There's nothing in the curse. You go into your neighborhood, and it's all the same. That's like everything. You don't go out.